Love is in the air, you guys. The love is in the air. Hello, my partiers. It's your favorite girl, Tiffany, back in the spot again. And today, you guys, can't you feel it nearby? Can't you feel it nearby? The love, you guys. The love is nearby. The love is in the air. But today, you guys, I'm going to be bringing you a video on how to create a strawberry bouquet for your loved ones. I don't know, whoever you want to give one to, Valentine's Day. It's an easy DIY project. So you guys stay tuned to this video. Okay, I'm going to make sure that it's gathered all around my love you bucket. Then I got my foam in here. And next, I'm going to take my teddy bear, a small teddy bear that I have. Let me tear the tag off first, you guys. I'm going to take my teddy bear. And I'm going to place him inside the basket. And I got him sitting on top of the foam. I'm going to bring that up. So I got him sitting on top of the foam, as you can see. Give you a closer look at the strawberries. This is one DIY idea. So you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And like I always say, I will party with you guys next time. Bye. You say what? I don't care what they say. When Jesus is in the mix, the plan never fails. Keep doing it in front of the haters and the naysayers.